What's up guys, it's Mr. DS18 and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I'm going to show you guys some marine pods. Some call them marine cans, tower speakers, wakeboard speakers. It's the same thing. So we got on the table the new Neo 6 version. These are the black ones. We're going to open them up. Then we're going to connect them, play some tunes, and you guys check them out. So here we go. So we got some styrofoam with some hardware attached to it. Then we got the first one. We got a manual. You guys see me? Manual. And let's get the other one. Move the box out of the way and set these babies on the table. Check them out. Neo 6. So they're called the NXL-X6TPNEO. Check them out. These are the black. Now, why are they Neo? Neo two-way speaker. It comes with a built-in compression driver. Built-in compression driver. Has a heavy-duty clamp, LED ring. It lights up in the middle. We're going to turn that on in a second. Then on the back part, it has a radiator, a passive radiator for more thump to that mid bass. Now these pods are really cool because you can mount them like this or like this. Now the only problem is you see the logo, it's going to be upside down, but you can actually put your nail or something sharp and you can flip the logo. Pretty cool, right? So you can mount them either way and they'll be straightened out. Now, some power on these babies. These are 6.5 inch, 4 ohms, 150 watts RMS, 450 watts max power, 93 dBs. Frequency response is from 70 hertz all the way to 21 kilohertz. It's a 1.5 inch voice coil with a 1 inch voice coil for the compression driver. Neodymium motors, and let's hook these babies up so you guys can check them out. So we got power here. Now let's put them together. Like this, so you guys can see the back part lit up. Okay, I'm almost done. Let's get these babies connected. Let's put some light on them so you guys can check them out lit up. And there we go. Now let's grab a phone. This one's the one that's going to be connected. I put this one backwards so you guys can see the radiator also lit up. Now let's look for some tunes. We got the BT2 connected. We got our Candy 5 amp connected. And let's go music time. 3, 2, 1, go. That passive radiator gives it a nice thump. It gives it that cool mid bass these pods need. Change the song, put another one. and it's not getting any power at all. Remember, this is only 80 watts. These bad boys can handle 150 watts. And there you guys have it. The NXL-X6TPNEO, the black version. They're available on our website, so guys, go check it out. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.